Guys, it happened again. The Instagram ad got me again. Today I'm doing a review / tutorial of the Amazon waver. This is like the 3-barrel waver and your girl is excited. So this is the packaging, super cute. We open it up. I am pumped, guys. So I'm super excited to try this out on my hair. My hair is pretty kind of wavy in the back anyway. It's mostly like the front pieces that aren't really that wavy. And like underneath isn't really. But like if this works, I'm gonna be doing this all the time. So I am super excited and like look how cool it looks. Just like, it's huge. I'm gonna plug it up and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So real quick public service announcement while we're waiting on the waver to heat up. Subscribe. There's a little red button, you just click it, it's free, you know. Yep, that's it. Okay, so a little like details about this while we're waiting for it to heat up. It is in Celsius, so it goes up to 210 degrees Celsius. And it does have a swivel bottom, which is always nice, and a little one of these things, whatever they're called, but I never even use those, but it's on there if you want it. Okay guys, so the waver is heated up and we are about to try it for the first time. I have no clue how excited I am for this. I've been waiting for this thing to come in the mail for so long. Here we go, first clamp down. Do 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 do. Do da do da. Okay, it didn't really do as much there as I thought it would. Let's just keep going and see though. Okay. Let's just keep going before I give any opinions. Let's do one more piece. The only thing I'm noticing so far is that this is kind of a reach. So if you have tiny hands, you might not be able to like reach it but you can always use this finger, I guess. But that's all I'm noticing so far is that it's kind of hard to reach it with my thumb. Okay, so this is what this is looking like so far. Let's keep going. Yeah, so when I first pulled this out of the box, my mom was like, how are you gonna curl your hair with that? Like, what is that thing? Because I kid you not, the last time I had like a crimper or waver or something, I was like in the 5th grade and it was blue and it had like a little velvet piece and like all the heads changed. It was like terrible. It was the worst like hair product thing I think I've ever had because every time I would try to use it, the little heads would fall off of my crimper. It was not a good time. And so I haven't crimped my hair since like those days, like 5th grade. So when I brought this out, my mom was like, she said, what are you gonna do with that? How are you gonna do your hair with that thing? Okay, so do you guys see the line? You could probably just go over it with a straightener and it would get the little kinks out. Okay, so this is one side of my head done. I'm gonna do the other side and I will come back and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after using the waver on absolutely all of it. And I do really like it. I think it's definitely worth the money. I personally would not buy one of the more expensive ones. I know that they are out there. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think it's a really good product. If you're thinking about buying it, go ahead. Let me know what you think about my hair. Is this a cute hairstyle for me? Or should I just never do it again? Let me know. But that is all. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.